Hi guys, today we are unboxing a new pair of shoes. I haven't done this type of unboxing video in such a long time, but I know whenever I do it, they're actually quite popular and I get lots of like feedback etc. from this type of videos, which is why I actually intentionally do this type of sit down for specifically for shoe unboxing videos. And today's one is super special. It's a pair of shoes or a pair of boots that I've bought for autumn winter. I'm super excited. So in the same format as I do these videos, I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to chit chat to you about the shoes, what I like about them, the pros and the cons from first impression, and then I will just tell them like a few different ways to give you like a general idea of how I intend to wear them. Not limited to any of the styles that I wear today, it's going to evolve, but again, a general idea. So if this sounds like something you'd like to see, please hang in there and I promise you, you are going to benefit something out of this video. Even if the shoes are not really like your cup of tea, because I think they are very, very specific and particular. They're not like generic, everyone's gonna like them. I still think that you might just enjoy this type of video. But before I get into it guys, if you're new on my channel, my name is Banke. On here I talk mostly about fashion, bits and bobs of beauty, a touch of lifestyle and anything else in between, because we are multifaceted over here. And if you're returning, hey, welcome back to my channel. Hold on guys, before I get into it, what I'm wearing, I'll start off with my jewelry. Always from my jewelry brand guys. These hoop earrings, they are literally, and I'm not just saying this because they're from my brand, they are the best quality hoops you will find out there. I've had this for close to 4 years now, or even a bit more. They were part of my very first batch of samples, and yeah, amazing. Also cuffs, I am into cuffs. I've always been into cuffs, but they are such a big thing at the moment, right? And this as well, I always like to do like a double cuff because I think it's just cuter when it's two, you know. And then finally my blouse, you'd see this properly when I get up to do my try on. It's one from H&M. I love this color. I've actually worn it front to back. It's got like a tie bow thing in front, but today I'm just wearing it at the back because I want my front to be a little bit less busy. Let's get into this unboxing. From the title, you guys already know this is from Alaia. It's a pair of boots, and originally I'll tell you, I saw this boots on the runway, but I saw them in a different version, and I didn't actually know that this version existed. So on the runway I saw the over the knee version of them, and I loved them, but I was like, you know, the over the knee, they're not going to be very practical for me for every day, especially in this style. Not to say that over the knee boots are not practical, but this specific style, I think for the purpose that I want to wear them, which is more like everyday, I think the over the knee version is just slightly too dressy. And I don't know if I've mentioned this before, I don't necessarily want to invest so much in like overly dressy shoes that I don't get to wear as much. I really want to get my money's worth out of shoes that I buy now, or I want to see myself wearing them more like every day, even if. I'll tell you, I was in the market for a new pair of ankle boots. I have this pair of ankle boots from Mango that I've had since 2021. They are kind of falling apart already, and I am trying my hardest to preserve them because they're so molded to my feet. I love wearing them. Yeah, and I just don't want them to go just yet. So I thought if I get another pair and I reduce the way I wear those ones, then this one can, you know, I can interchange them every now and again just to preserve those ones for a little bit longer. Also wanted an upgrade. I want something that will be like a forever pair in my wardrobe. It is, like I said, it's a core. It's something I would always want to have in my wardrobe. I would always want a pair of ankle boots, preferably in black as well, that I can just dress up or dress down, and you know all the good stuff. Anyway, so I stumbled on this on, where was I? One of the websites. I stumbled on this and I thought to myself, oh, I saw this on the runway, but in the over the knee version. I didn't know this existed, and oh my god, I literally, my mind, everything, I couldn't sleep. I was like, I literally lost it over these shoes when I saw them in this version. But now they're not quite ankle, they're calf. Anyway, let's get into it. So I went in the store and I tried them on. I'm going to insert a little cute picture of them now so you guys actually would see them. And I tried them on, and yes, I think I was completely convinced when I tried them on in the store. I also went with my friend. He was, yeah, he also co-signed. He goes, yes, this is different. I know the intention, the original intention was, so I'm actually unboxing. I forgot to show you guys. The original idea was for a pair of ankle boots, but you know, as we do, we find something different that we love and we go for it. So comes with the dust bags and everything. There's 2 dust bags in there. And as you guys saw in the pictures, they are beautiful. They are so cute, and I think for me it's the structure of them, but I will tell you a few things about these boots that you should know, so hang in there. I think with the shape and with the design, they are very unique, they're very particular, and I don't mind paying a little bit more for something different like this. Hang in there, hold on. There's also the little certification in the box as well. Guys, the bow, I can't get over the cute bow. I really like the structure. I like that they are different. They do come up to my calf, like I said. Initially, I thought I was going to be a 39.5. In most Italian brands, I'm a 39.5. I don't even know if Alaia do halves. I'm not sure. But when I went to try them on in the store, they only had a size 40, which is a 7, and I thought, give it a go anyway, and they were actually perfect. I was actually surprised. I thought I was going to need a 39.5. So with a pair of thick socks, it would still fit nicely, like if I had thick socks in, and if I have like thin pop socks, there is a little bit of room, but I'm not mad at that room. Now, what you might not know from looking at this shoe from outside is that on the inside, and this came as a shock to me, there is, so the shoe, you can see how it goes up on here, but on the inside there is like an insert that holds your feet, almost like where you see that line. And it's, unfortunately, I can't, let's see, can we see it from here? Oh no, we can't see it. So it's right in there, so your feet is actually supported. It's held onto like properly. It's not just toes and you have that insert, and I was like, wow. And I think that's one of the reasons why I even fell in love with them. Like, I loved them visually, but when I realized like they are actually beautifully constructed as well, there's details to them that people might not see, I was like, okay, Alaia is saying everything, like you're talking to me. So I really like them. I will give them, I haven't worn them yet, but comfort level from trying them on in a store and everything, I would say 8/10. I think that insert still needs to give a little, but again, with the type of leather it is, I'm 100% sure that it would. But just like every other shoe as well, you need to break them in a little until they're molded to your feet, and I think this would do just that with a few wears. I would give it 5 or 6 wears, and I think they will be completely molded to my feet. The heights, like we said, 90 mm. I think I've mentioned this already. And yeah, they are super sexy. Now let's get into some styling. So we're gonna start off with this outfit that I have on, which is a top with a mini skirt. But prior to now, so before I bought this boot, I would have worn this with knee-length boots, never ankle boots. I just feel like sometimes the proportion of minis and ankle boots on me, on my stature, just doesn't work out. And I'm going to show you an example as well. And also because I bought this with the original intention of buying ankle length boots, I actually didn't realize that I was subconsciously filling in a gap that I had in my wardrobe. I like that they are actually not narrow on the ankle. I think that's what it is for me, because I do have quite slim or skinny ankles in my head. So something that doesn't you know, emphasize on the skinniness of my ankle just, you know, just for me, just does it. I think it's a personal preference sometimes when you look at yourself and you like things better on you than other things. I do love a mini skirt, and I think for me I've found the alternative of, you know, pairing my mini skirts with tall boots or sandals all the time, because you can't always wear sandals in the summer. Sorry, you can't always wear sandals in the winter. So this is where it comes in. These boots are literally So moving on to my next outfit is the skirts. Now, I'll be very honest with you, I love the skirts, but I struggle so much with styling the skirts. I just feel like I haven't found the perfect pair of shoes for the skirts, and you'd think it's actually quite easy. And as you can see, guys, with the ankle boots, it's just giving, I don't know, anti going to church. I literally can't put my fingers on it. But then I tried the skirt on with this boots, and I was like, this works. And don't get me wrong, I have tried the skirt on with tall boots, but they weren't quite right. But I think it's the structure of this boots, the way they kind of just come up rather than curve up. I think that's the description I could give it, and I think that's what actually makes it work. Am I right, guys? Do you see it? Or is it all in my head? Again, a lot of the things that we project is how we visualize things. So this is how I see it. And there's no right and there's no wrong. It's all on the person's perspective and perception of things. So this is me and this is how I feel. Now, there's no limit to how you can style these boots. These are just general ideas that I'm giving you, and also just for me as well, trying it with things that I've kind of like struggled with and seeing how we can move forward with these items. But yeah, the next look is literally a mi-core. When I say mi-core, which is my look when I wake up and I don't feel like dressing up, my look when I need to do something quickly and I just need to pull stuff together. It's just basically a very me look. And for me, a lot of the shoes that I buy, or a lot of the pieces that I buy, especially accessories, needs to work with this core look. So I'm coming in with a pair of jeans. Like, I love this jeans so much, and to be honest with you, a lot of things work with these jeans. Even my ankle boots, they look amazing with this jeans. I love the length, I love everything about this jeans. So easy to wear. So I just thought pair it with this boots and see how it looks. I think it elevates this outfit in the most beautiful way, guys. I mean, you might say I'm biased, but can we see it? And I've just kind of gone for different variations of the look, with this cropped blazer, with this fringed cape. In every way that I can wear this outfit, this boots literally still offer something more than just your regular boots or your regular shoes. And I absolutely love that. So, you know, when I tried on the first look together, which is just the plain top and the jeans, I was like, I love this so much. I felt so elevated. I felt so me, and I think that's one of the beautiful things when you buy something and it literally fits into your style and it just makes you feel good. That's what these boots have done for me, and it's such an addition to my wardrobe. It's such an elevating piece. I see myself wearing this a lot, and I know I said this with a lot of my outfits, but I do see myself wearing this a lot. I will try and be mindful not to run them down. Maybe I still need another pair of ankle boots, I don't know, but I could chill on that for now. Like, I can wait a few seasons before maybe getting another pair of ankle boots, or maybe now consider another color, or yeah, I don't know. But yeah, anyway guys, let me know if you have any questions on those boots, anything that I haven't covered. Let me know in the comment section. And also, actually, I want to know, do you like this boot? It's not like it's gonna, you know, change my mind in any way, form or fashion, but I actually do want to know, do we vibe on that level? Most of the time when I share things with you guys, I think it's actually usually quite generic. Like, a lot of people can get away with the kind of pieces that I show, but there's things that are so me, like the sprinkle that I say all the time that I bring into my outfits. These boots are basically that. They are different, but they are so me. I think that just kind of summarizes it. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you've liked this video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Just give me a thumbs up because I like sharing with you guys, especially on here. And until next time, take care guys. Bye.